Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the basket weave stitch pattern. I love how textured this pattern ends up looking. Just like it's woven, but it's not. It's crocheted. So for this video, you're going to need to know how to do a half double crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 2. So to get started on row 1, you are going to chain 2, and in the third chain from the hook, you're going to work your first half double crochet, followed by half double crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. All right, so to get started on the repeat for this whole entire pattern, we're going to start on row 2. You're going to start off by chaining 2, and you're going to work your first double crochet into the first stitch. Next, you're going to do a back post double crochet. Followed by another back post double crochet. Next, we'll work 2 front post double crochets. And that'll be the repeat for row 2. Every row will always start with a double crochet in the first stitch, and it'll always end with a double crochet in the last stitch. So the pattern repeat will always end up being 2 back post double crochets followed by 2 front post double crochets. And you would do that until you reach the end of your work. So here I'm going to finish off by doing 2 front post double crochets. And ending the row with doing a double crochet in the last stitch. So we're going to turn our work. And we are going to chain 2. And we're going to start off again by working a double crochet into the first stitch. Next, we are going to do another back post double crochet, followed by another back post double crochet. And then it'll be 2 front post double crochets again. And just like with row 2, just like with row 2, row 3 will be exactly the same as repeating, doing 2 back double crochets, followed by 2 front double crochets. Front post. And here we are coming up at the end. We are going to end it again with just a double crochet in the last stitch. So you can kind of see how your first weave look is going to go. But now that we turn our work and start rows 4 and 5, you'll start really seeing the wave stitch. So again, we're going to start with chaining 2 and working a double crochet in the first stitch. Now for this row, we are going to start with a front post double crochet in the next 2 stitches, or posts, followed by 2 back post double crochets in the next 2 posts. And that'll be your repeat until the end of the row. So again, it's 2 front post double crochets, followed by 2 back post double crochets. And finishing off with a double crochet in the last stitch. So we will do this again. We will chain 2 and we will double crochet in the first stitch. Then we will work 2 front post double crochets, followed by 2 back post double crochets. So what you'll end up seeing with this is as you end up building this weave pattern, it'll start making it look like your crocheting is weaved, even though it's just crocheting in the front and back loops. And there you have it. As you go, it'll start looking amazing. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.